For a customer to be convinced to buy your products, you need to show them images, but if at the time of creating your site you didn't add images to some or all of your products, it will surely take you several hours or days to do this tedious task, since you would need to edit the products one by one. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll show you how you can upload image galleries to hundreds or even thousands of products with just a few clicks using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. This plugin provides a product spreadsheet where you can see all the product information, and you can filter and edit them freely. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. Uploading galleries to products individually in the spreadsheet is really easy. Just go to the gallery column and upload an image by clicking the upload button. Or we can paste the URLs of the images. Finally, we just need to save the changes. Another option is to upload product galleries to hundreds of products by keyword, category, attribute, or tag. To show you how, we'll use the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select to search for the rows to update. This will open the search tool, where you can filter your products by keyword, type, visibility, categories, tags, shipping classes, attributes, or you can even use the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, I'm going to filter all the products that contain the keyword shirt. So I'll enter the keyword here and run the search. Once we're back in the bulk edit tool, we'll select the gallery field. We'll choose the set value option. Now we can either upload the images or paste the URLs here. Finally, execute. If you want to upload galleries to your downloadable products, you need to open the bulk edit tool. Once you open the tool, select this option to search for the rows to update with the search tool. Check the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Look for the field downloadable. Leave the equal operator. And tick this checkbox. Finally, run the search. Now we'll be redirected back to the bulk edit tool to continue editing. Next, select to edit the field gallery. Select to set the value. And either upload the images or paste the URLs. Then execute. As you can see, uploading galleries to lots of products is really easy with WP Sheet Editor. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.